Happy Kids TV.
Hey everybody, it's Maria, and today on Dress Up Play-Dough, I'm going to be showing you how to make Rainbow Girl. Cause who doesn't love rainbows, am I right? First, I am going to roll out every color of the rainbow, all 7 of them. Coming along great. This will help speed up the process when we're dressing her. Now we have to make a base for our doll so she can stand up all by herself. You can choose any color, but I'm doing blue. Now we are going to cut off little pieces of our ropes. Then roll them out so we can wrap it around her to start making her dress. First, starting with pink. Next, going on to red. Followed by orange. Then yellow. If it's not long enough, then go ahead and roll it out a little bit more so it can fit your doll perfectly. Next will be green. 2 more colors to go. What will they be? That's right, it's blue. And lastly, we have purple. Great job! Now just repeat the process. Say the colors with me. Pink, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. One more round of each color. Keep up the great work. And lastly, we need to hold up her dress. I'm going to be doing that by making a halter top. All you need for that is to roll out a piece of Play-Doh the same color as the top color of her dress. Then just wrap it around her neck and connect it to her dress. And voila, you have a beautiful rainbow girl. Rainbow Girl is ready and bringing a smile to my face just like the rainbows outside. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did making it. Be sure to come back to see what I'm making next time on Dress Up Play-Dough.
To see my Sal sing Polly Wolly Doodle all the day. My Sal, she is a spunky gal, sing Polly Wolly Doodle all the day. Freddy well, Freddy well, Freddy well, my fairy fay. For I'm going to Louisiana for to see my Susiana, sing Polly Wolly Doodle all the day. to see my Susiana sing Polly Wolly Doodle all the day. Behind the barn, down on my knees, sing Polly Wolly Doodle all the day. I thought I heard a chicken sneeze, sing Polly Wolly Doodle all the day. Freddy well, Freddy well, Freddy well, my fairy fay. For I'm going to Louisiana for to see my Susiana sing Polly Wolly Doodle all the day. Oh, a grasshopper sitting on a railroad track, sing Polly Wolly Doodle all the day. A picking his teeth with a carpet tack, sing Polly Wolly Doodle all the day. Freddy well, Freddy well, Freddy well, my fairy fay. For I'm going to Louisiana for to see my Susiana sing Polly Wolly Doodle all the day. Oh, I went to bed, but it wasn't any use, sing Polly Wolly Doodle all the day. My feet stuck out like a chicken roast, sing Polly Wolly Doodle all the day. Freddy well, Freddy well, Freddy well, my fairy fay. For I'm going to Louisiana for to see my Susiana sing Polly Wolly Doodle all the day. Skidamarinka-dinky-dink, skidamarinka-doo, I love you. Skidamarinka-dinky-dink, skidamarinka-doo, I love you. I love you in the morning and in the afternoon. I love you in the evening and underneath the moon. Oh, skidamarinka-dinky-dink, skidamarinka-doo, I love you. Skidamarinka-dinky-dink, skidamarinka-doo, I love you. Skidamarinka-dinky-dink, skidamarinka-doo, I love you. I love you in the morning and in the afternoon. I love you in the evening and underneath the moon. Oh, skidamarinka-dinky-dink, skidamarinka-doo, I love you. brush our teeth, brush our teeth, brush our teeth. This is the way we brush our teeth on a warm and sunny morning. This is the way we wash our face, wash our face, wash our face. This is the way we wash our face on a warm and sunny morning. This is the way we comb our hair, comb our hair, comb our hair. This is the way we comb our hair on a warm and sunny morning. Put on our clothes, put on our clothes, put on our clothes. This is the way we put on our clothes on a warm and sunny morning. This is the way we go to school, go to school, go to school. This is the way we go to school on a warm and sunny morning.